For penmanship. So let's push our seats into our desks. Let's keep your eyes on me and have our feet flat on the floor. And so when I say let's get ready for penmanship, that's what it means. You sit exactly how you're sitting right now. So you will learn to write the capital letter Z. What will you learn to write?
Capital letter Z.
All right, perfect. Name these lines.
Top line, middle line, bottom
line.
All right, good job. And so when I write the letter Z, I begin at the top line and I finish at the bottom line, just like that. Now recite and name as I write. So I go across, slant, across. All right, now will you repeat that with me?
Across, slant, across.
Perfect. All right.
Across, slant, across.
All right, is this a good Z?
No.
No. Why?
Does it go to the bottom line?
Yes, good job. And so we want it to reach the bottom. So let's repeat again. So what is across?
Cross, slant, across.
And now let's say, what is this letter?
Capital Z.
Good job. All right, so now let's start down here. All right, recite and name as I go.
Across, slant, across, capital Z.
Good job.
Across, slant, across, capital Z.
And you see there is a space in between these two letters. When we write, we leave a space between letters. What do we leave between letters?
A space.
Yes, good job. Right. Now let's repeat it. Across,
Slant, across, capital Z. Across, slant, across, capital Z.
Is this good spacing?
No.
How come?
There's no space.
Yes, good job. There's no space. All right. So now we are going to trace on the dotted lines. So watch as I trace. I put my pencil. I put my pencil on the letter, and I start tracing from the top, and I go to the bottom, just like that. So now will you recite with me?
Across, slant, across, capital Z. Across, slant, across, capital Z.
And is this, these don't look like Z's, so that's okay. Is this a good tracing?
No.
No, how come?
You didn't stay on the line.
Yes, good job. And remember when we trace, we always stay on the line. All right, now this is good stuff. All right, now put your pencil on the starting point for the first letter on your paper. On line number 1. Good job. Now recite and trace and name the first letter as you write.
Across, slant, across, capital Z.
Good job. And now put your pencil on the starting point for the second line. Only part of the letter is here. So we can start across,
Slant, across, capital Z.
Good job. All right, now complete and recite. Oh no, you did that. You aced it. So let's look at line 3. There are dots where capital Z should be. Point to them, and now let's recite it. All right, across,
slant, across, capital Z.
Good. We can keep going if you need some more.
Oh, I'm good.
You're just doing so well. Okay, so now put your pencil on line 5, where you begin to write the capital letter Z, and we'll recite, and name capital Z. Across,
Slant, across, capital Z.
Good job. Way to learn the capital Z.